Hi guys, this is Venkat and this is my first video tutorial on basic Unix command, and today we are going to discuss about very basic fundamental Unix command. And I'm not going to go into detail about what is Unix, what is who is father and where it is derived, who is found this and all those things, at least in this video. So in this video I just want to make you comfortable with the basic Unix commands. Okay, first we'll type in few commands which are very familiar to everyone. Basically the command names are familiar to everyone. In daily uses we may use those, like date command. So if you see here, I just entered date and pressed enter. So immediately it displays the date along with time also. Similarly, if you wish to know who logged into this mission, who am I, it just displays who is the user logged into this machine. Similarly, if you want to know who are all the users logged into this machine, just press who. It gives you all the users logged into this machine. Yeah, this is giving two users with the same names. This is because the same name is using another user. Okay, so yeah, if you want to know the calendar of, if you want to see the calendar, just use cal and it displays the current month along with dates. If you also want to see calendar some past 1900, just simply give 1900. You can see that entire month of the entire year of the calendar. Particular to, if you want to see particular month in that year, you just pass month number and after that year. You see, just only it gives the 7th month of that year 1900. Yeah, so this is very basic commands in Unix. And also you can see here very basic things like okay, you currently like in Microsoft Windows we also have here directories. In fact, in Unix everything is a file, and those files will be there definitely in one directory, organized in one directory. So the basic root directories in Unix is /, that is root directory. If you want to see what are all the directories available in root directory, simply use cd. Cd is nothing but change directory to the root directory and press enter. So you have changed to the root directory, right? But you are not able to see any files. So if you want to see the files available in the root directory, just simply press ls, listing the files, and press enter. You will see these are the directories or files available in the root directory. Now if you want to change to any other directory from this directory, it is simply use cd home. Now you have switched to home directory. In home directory, basically the Unix admin will set up all the users in this directory only. That is after home he will create and configure your profiles, user profiles in this directory. My profile is in home with name as Modala. So yeah, so I'm there in that directory. Now if you want to check in which directory you are there, just use pwd, present working directory. See, you are in home as Modala. Okay, now if you want to see the files available in this directory, again you can use ls. See, there are a lot of files here. So from this, use any give any one directory. Yeah, so I have now in getting started. Okay, how to clear the screen, and it is lot of things, right, mess up with so many details. So how to clear the screen? Simply use clear. This is another command to clear the screen. Yeah, see, everything is clear. Now you have seen basic things, and now like you can also see the processes running using the ps command. See this, there are two processes running, one is bash and another is ps. The ps is nothing but the command you have given, and the bash, what is bash? Okay, bash is a shell, one of the shell, one type of shell. Then what is shell? Shell, you whatever you are entering, the keywords whatever you are entering or commands you are entering will not directly go to the Unix system, because Unix system can't understand these things. That I mean, these are the actually high level language we are using, but someone needs to be there to convert these commands to the understandable format to the Unix. So that work will done by shell. So here we are using shell called bash shell. There are many other types, C shell, corn shell, and yeah, maybe I know those only. So but I'm pretty much comfortable with the bash shell since my day one. So the commands also will vary based on the shell you are using. I mean, not exactly commands I can say, but yeah, maybe options for that command may vary with the shell you are using. But I will insist, whenever we are using whenever we are using any that particular type of command or options, I will insist that how it will different from other shell. Okay, so bash shell, why it is running, why it is showing? Actually we are just ran ps only, so it should show only ps, but why it is showing bash? I will tell you. The bash is a shell, and basically a shell always runs the moment you logged into the Unix system. It will, the process will run until you exit from the Unix. It will keep on running. So at any point in time the shell will always run, and if you close your session it will die. Yes, so it is as simple as that. So basically you can define shell as a command interpreter to your Unix system. Okay, now you know how to list the files. Simply use ls, it will gives you all the files available in that directory. Like in our Windows, if you see, press any directory, double click on any directory, it will gives you the GUI. Basically it will gives you the all the files, available files, directories, videos, whatever, whatnot in that particular directory, whatever there, it will show you. Similarly here it will display ls. But if you want to see more details about these files, use option called ls-l, press enter. See, you have got total how many files we have here. So total 7 files you have here, and with some other attributes total 16, and below to that you have, and these all fields, I mean whatever rw1 s model novia, all these are actually space delimited fields. I will tell you each field what its significance. First one, that rw-r-r- is actually the file permissions. I will tell you each field in the next video tutorial. And this one gives you the links associated with this file to another files, and I will also discuss about this in brief in my next video, I mean in coming videos. And this s model is the user owner of the file, and NOA is the group in which that user is belongs to. And the next field indicates, I mean 0, 31, 00, 5, 28, 26. This indicates the size of the file. And the John 5, 18, 26, this is actually a file, the time and date when it was created, and the next chop01 are the file names. Yeah, it is as simple as that. Okay, now if you observe closely here, there are the files are actually similar in names actually. Chop 01, chop 02, chop 0. So chop is common here actually, except the list. So how you can display all the files with the similar pattern? So the Unix is providing one meta character called star to match with any character. Say suppose simple chop star. So you see the output. Yeah, so it is giving except list, it is giving remaining all files. So it is matching all the chop starting with chop. Even in fact chop is also here giving. That means chop star here indicates matches with nothing or anything. So after chop you may have any number of characters, but it doesn't matter, it will just simply display. You may not have any character, then also it will display. That is chop. That is the meta character star. That is a wild character, it will match with anything or nothing also. If you use ls star, then what is the output? See, now it also displays list. So that means it displays entire everything in that directory. Yeah, this is another thing. That's all about my first video on Unix basics command. We'll discuss more basic commands on my next video tutorial. Thank you guys, thanks for watching my video.